Well, I'm Mihai Cuc. I'm one of the two partners of the Enescu Cuc law firm, a Romanian law firm specialized in assisting foreign investors located in Bucharest.
Mr. Cook, can you tell us more about your law firm?
Well, our law firm was created 12 years ago as a boutique law firm, and our main area of expertise is real estate, commercial law, litigation, debt collection, and generally anything related to civil and commercial law. And we are oriented towards assisting foreign investors in Romania.
Is your law firm internationally affiliated?
Our law firm is not internationally affiliated in the sense that it is an independent law firm. It's not part of a larger structure. However, we do have a lot of partners abroad. We have other law firms that we cooperate with and other entities with which help foreign investors to invest in Romania or from Romania outside. So we are part of a, let's say, informal network, if you like.
What is Enescu and Cuc's law firm's typical client?
The typical client of our law firm are medium-sized investors, by that meaning medium-sized companies or individuals who are looking to invest in Romania. And our aim is to guide such investors from the moment they arrive in Romania and until and through the process of the investment that they intend to do here. And we aim to be as much as possible a one-stop shop from the moment they arrive, as said. And initially we don't charge any fee for the initial communication with our clients. And once we establish the parameters of whatever the client is trying to do, then our collaboration starts. And we do as much as possible as for making the legal hassle minimal.
You've mentioned company formation. Do you provide the service from A to Z?
Yes, indeed. We do provide in this field where I think we are quite experts. We've incorporated hundreds of companies in Romania, and we assist the clients, as said, from the moment they arrive, or for this particular task, even if they don't come here, because we can act through a power of attorney, and we can, based on that power of attorney, can carry out on their behalf every procedure that is necessary, from the reservation, initial reservation of the futures company name, until the registration is complete and we hand over the formation, the certificate of incorporation of that company to the respective investor.
What about debt collection? Can you recuperate any type of debt in Romania?
Well, it depends what you mean by recuperating any type of debt. We can recuperate, we can represent the client for the recuperation of any debt that is, first of all, admissible under Romanian law. That includes representing the client for enforcing in Romania court orders, or especially European court orders, or even court orders that were obtained abroad, if the respective court orders are enforceable as per European regulation and subsequently as per Romanian regulation. And obviously we can assist the client, we can advise him upon the possibility to legally recuperate a certain debt that he claims. And if we find that there are legal grounds or good enough chances for that client, we represent the client throughout the process, including the enforcement of the court order that is obtained as a result of such a lawsuit.
Let's say you are a foreign investor looking to start doing business in Romania. What would be the first step to take? What would you be careful about?
Well, obviously, what to be careful about, it depends on the type of investment. But the first step would be obviously to make sure that you have two aspects clear of your investment. One is the legal aspect, what your intention is, and then discuss with the lawyer, and he can guide you through the best legal way to achieve that goal, and also to ensure that you have financial advice, by that meaning especially accountants, in order to take care of the fiscal aspects of that investment. That would be the first step. And then the second step would be obviously to make sure that whatever legal strategy is put together by the lawyer and the client is carried out step by step, not miss any step. The Romanian legal system, it's very similar to other continental systems, like in France or Italy, so it is rather formal. So each step is very important, and it has to be carried out precisely and in a certain order, so everything will, there won't be any problems later on.
How do you see the business environment in Romania at this time? And what about the future?
Well, the business environment in Romania at this time is obviously affected by the crisis as much as everywhere else in Europe and in the world. However, we think that, first of all, Romania is slowly getting out of the crisis, so there are good prospects. And with that in mind, I think it's a very friendly environment. Well, the procedures may not be as smooth as some Western investor might want, but the business potential is much higher than almost anywhere else in Europe. There are a lot of types of investment, a lot of type of businesses, a lot of type of services which simply do not exist in Romania, or they exist in an insignificant amount. So there are a lot of areas where prospective investors might invest in Romania and find themselves running alone, or almost, which is the key to a big payday, so to speak. So this is the current environment. As for the future, it obviously depends on what happens in Europe and in Romania as well. But the prospects that exist today are the foundation, in our opinion, for a big leap in the, let's say, medium future. Not in the near future, because in the near future Romania's economy is trying to get momentum for that leap. But it would be wise for any investor to be part of that leap, to establish a presence in Romania now rather than later. Because I think on medium and long term, very good things will happen economically to Romania, and whoever will be here at that point would profit immensely.
Well, Mr. Cuc, thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome.